Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add roles to your Discord server. The process is simple, so let's jump right in. So first of all, open your Discord application on a PC, and on this page you'll have to simply navigate to your server. So for example, I'm opening this server. Here, I will have to click on this drop down icon at the top left and navigate to server settings. From server settings, you'll have to navigate to the roles section, that is the second option from the top. Here, in order to create any role, you'll have to click on create role button and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to first of all enter the role name. Now, you can choose the role color. After selecting a color, you'll have to click on choose image and set a unique icon for each role in the server. Click on boost this server for a monthly subscription. If you don't want it, click on never mind. If you want this, click on continue. After doing this, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to display role members separately from online members. So you can toggle this switch on if you want it. Now, you can allow anyone to mention this role by toggling on this switch. Now, you'll have to navigate to the view server as role option. Click on this button and it is going to take you to your server where you are able to view this server as one role. So you can click on select roles and choose another role if you wish. Now click on go back to role setting and you have your role just right here. In order to edit it, click on edit icon, edit the server's role anyhow you want and make sure you click on the save changes button at the bottom. It's also important to enable the option display role members separately from online members. This separates the role on the server list for better organization. Make sure to arrange your roles in order of importance since admin is the highest role and you can move that role to the top here. Now let's add member to the role. On the right of the screen, click on manage members. So when you navigate to manage members section, you'll have to click on search members or click on add members, choose someone to add, click on add and now you can assign any role to the person you just added. So click on search members, type in the name of the member that you want to add and assign this role to, select it and that member will be assigned that role. Next, go to the permissions tab. Since this is an admin role, I will enable all the permissions for this role. So toggle these switches on in order to enable all the permissions and click on save changes button. I also have a quick tip for you. If you want to add someone to a role later on, you don't need to return to the server settings. And that's it. Now we have successfully created a role and assigned it on Discord. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.